Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the call unavailable error or issue in your WhatsApp voice or video calls. So let us guide you through it and show you how you can fix this and find a solution in 2025 and beyond. So launch the WhatsApp application on your Android, for example. And what you will need to do next, guys, is initiate a conversation with the WhatsApp support to submit a ticket. You can do that really easily, guys. Let me guide you through it. So here from your home screen, tap into these three dots in the top right corner. After that, tap into settings. And here inside your WhatsApp settings, swipe all the way down till you get to the help center. Here, tap into it, tap into help center again. And from the following menu, select voice and video calls. And last but not least, tap into the type of calls you're having this issue or problem with, like for example voice calls. And after a brief moment, tap into contact us here in the bottom right corner. That is going to connect you with the WhatsApp support through a WhatsApp conversation here. So here you may simply use the text box below to describe your issue. For example, hello, I'm having issues with my voice calls here in WhatsApp. Voice calls are unavailable. Please help me fix this. Thank you. And send the message. And after that, simply wait for a reply and follow these instructions. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.